How does Microsoft contract? Microsoft is an organization that uses many different types of channels to service their end customers, because you obviously have people at home that want to use Microsoft software and services. You have organizations that want to use this, and you have partner organizations that might want to use Microsoft software to service their end customers. So there's a lot of different ways to contract with Microsoft, might suit a certain type of person or a certain type of company. First and foremost, self-serve web. Basically, you can go to the Microsoft website of the product that you're interested in, and you might be able to buy it straight from that website. Usually, this is a model where you need to pay with a credit card or through an online means. If you're a bigger company, that might not suit you very well, and you might want to investigate one of the other routes, like value-added partners. Microsoft uses a vast network of partners worldwide. In any country and region, they have a lot of partners, and you can use any of these partners to purchase software and or services that you might need if they have this available. This might suit you very well as well if you have certain partners that do your management of your environment, or they do certain implementation projects. They might also be able to service you with your licenses. Finally, Microsoft Assisted. If you are an organization that typically wants to deal with Microsoft directly, you have the option to do so. You can go to Microsoft, contact the sales representative of Microsoft, and set up a direct contract with them. This is typically not for companies of all sizes, but companies that have like 150 plus employees could potentially find a way to do this. If you're above 500 users or employees, you can even sign an enterprise agreement, which is the biggest direct model that Microsoft uses to help end customers of Microsoft to procure licenses.